Welcome back to the segment on dynamic programming. So in this video, we are going to answer another palindromic question. So giving a string, I want you to return all of the palindromic substrings. So giving a string S, if the string has palindromes, return all of them. Return the amounts of them. So let's see an example. So if you're giving A, B, C, your answer should be 3. Your read output should be 3 because there are 3 palindromes, A, B, and C itself. These characters are palindromes. If you're given A, your output should be 6 because the first 3 and then 2 by 2, this first 2 A's, the second 2 A's, and then all 3 A's. These are all palindromes, so that's 6 of them. So let's begin. So techniques that I'm going to use here are techniques that I've used in previous videos to solve palindromic questions. The link to those videos are in the description. Please take a look at those videos as well. Alright, so let's begin. I'm going to start by defining my length. Then I'm going to create my dynamic program array or matrix, whatever you want to call them. It's n, size n. I'm going to fill the array with nulls, doesn't matter. And then I'm going to do a map for each one of them. I'm going to return an array of size n and fill that with false. Boom. Now I'm going to create my palindrome results, basically my results. So I'm going to start with my first case. So do a for loop, I equals 0, I is less than n, I plus plus. So we will say that dp of I, row I, column I equals true. Set that to true. And we would say, and we'll push our palindrome inside of this string I. Again, why am let me return. I'm going to return the answer would be the length of the palindrome, and and then let me just print out the palindrome. Now we are not finished. This is just me showing you step by steps. So if you're wondering why I did this, please watch the other 3 videos posted in the dynamic program playlist where I explain the use of DP and how we use its values to iterate. Alright, so I'm just gonna run. You know what? Let's finish. Let me run the first test case. I'm gonna run this. So the output should be 1 because there's only one string, so this should work for the first case. So let me show you what that is. No tutorial. There we go. Answer is 1. And then we have, this is the palindrome. That's only A. That's why. Alright, beautiful. So now we're gonna do for case 2, do a for loop. Let the row equals 0, row is less than n, row plus plus. So we're doing a case for 2 strings. A string of length 2. Let c equals row plus 1. C is greater than r, and C decreases. If our string of r equals our string of c, that's a good thing. So dprc equals true. And then what else should we want to push? So we'll say string.substring rc plus 1. Alright, this is good. This would work for cases of 2. Alright, so let's see. Let's test these 3 out now. Perfect. So when string is A, there's only one palindrome. String is AB, there's 2. A and B. String is AA, there's 3. A, and double A. Basically. And then let's do our final case, the actual solution, DP solution let row equals 0. Row is less than, no, let's not start with row, let's start with the column because we're doing 2 or more. Let c equals 2, c is less than n, c plus plus, and then let r equals 0, r plus c is less than n, r plus plus, and we're going to define a constant. Let w equals r plus c. In this case, r plus c is the length of the substring. That's what it is. Let's try something. Let's see. We can say if string r equals string w, that's one way. But then we want to confirm that the middle character actually exists. And for those of you wondering why I did this other condition, please watch my other videos. I explain thoroughly why we must check for this condition. If this is the case, then this is good. So we're gonna dp w is true, change the c, and that's it. We're done. All of this is true, and that's it. AAB is 4 because it's AAB and AA. ABA is 4. ABA, ABA. AAA is 6, 3 A's. ABC is 3. Awesome. Thank you guys.